Previously on Ann Noveu.
Hey, wake up, E. My, you got way too much air, don't ya? Let's fix that for ya.
Nothing. All of them. Everyone. Except you do. Every single student and staff in that wretched school should burn. I failed to stop the curse. And death, I repent of my negligence.
What if I were to go to the fountain? It's connected, check. Important, check. And Eleanor spent every moment there, double check. Curse is really here. I knew it. I just really feel like today is gonna be horrible. Blondie always gets lucky. Everyone started killing each other, and there was blood, and Miss Bonnell died, and they all died, and
I'll go get Mom and Dad.
Why, Alfred? Why did you do this? Stop! Ah!
That's not him. That thing is not my brother.
Elementary. You saw what didn't you? It's not my fault. Please tell me you'll help me, Derek.
I'm sorry, but I'm done with you.
Ronald Pressley!
Ow. Oh, yeah.
I won't give you the power to do that again, you goddamn parasite. Can't we at least just go check it out? The cameras have been out for too long. What if it's not going well? What if...
We have to wait. We don't want to ruin the process.
Process? But what if he's hurt? This was a bad idea, wasn't it?
Think of it this way. If he was dead, the cameras would likely be back by now. Any interruptions would likely prove more dangerous than him going alone. He's an Oriave. He's fine, Sadie Pie.
I hope he's more than fine.
The cameras are back. It's over. See?
You're okay.
See?
You're freezing.
Alfred. Let's take him home first. The cameras in the center started glitching right after your bold summoning, so we were quite literally in the dark. It's good you survived. Nice to know.
We can tell you what we've been up to while you prepare to tell yours.
Okay.
Firstly, I got Carmon to join us. It was very easy. Hey Carmon, want to help us defeat an evil, deadly curse and save our town? There'll be lots of adventures, dangerous missions, friendships, and snacks.
I'm gonna be a superhero. Against all common sense. Me and William were able to collect the layout for Presley's manor, who I think should be our next focus. Presley. He's some kind of robot or cyborg. My mom shot him in the head and it didn't do anything. Just revealed some mechanical shit. The curse showed you that? What exactly did you learn? I made a deal with it. It showed me memories of Ann Noveu, Howe, and what happened to Mom. But making deals is exactly how it causes those tragedies. This whole summoning was a major fuck-up. So the worst case scenario came true. I suppose that's my bad, but no worries. That just means we have to be quicker than planned. What exactly did you see at Howe? And Ann Noveu?
And Catherine? You said it showed what happened to her?
I think it showed major people I know. It gave extra context, like the deals that were made, and that Mom still calls Howe. That's what led her down the path to the mayor. And that's what killed her. He shot her 3 times. Well, this wasn't a complete blunder. Now we know more about the curse than ever before, and about the mayor. Knowing he's mechanical is extremely useful for planning our confrontation with him. We're really gonna do that? After what he did to Mom? Taking down the mayor, destroying New Wardwell. This is where we're at for a mostly bloodshedless way to defeat the curse, right? Yeah, I guess. I can handle the mayor ASAP. Sadie can. No, we're doing this together. You sure? I have to. Then I formally invite you for some sweet revenge. Sadie buy, you buy enough tanks of gas that can ignite the school. And since Carmon is close to truth, tell them to provide our alibis. If all goes well, we should destroy it on Christmas. It's the perfect time, since school will already be out and everyone will be busy.
You got it, boss.
I suppose I will do all the computer work to keep you guys out of trouble, per usual. Exactly. We'll leave for Pressley tomorrow. For now, you get to have a sleepover with me. Wonderful. Need help loading that in?
No, just another supply for the snow plowing removal company.
That's a lot of gas. How much work do you guys do?
Way more than I like. We gotta prepare for this year's ice age.
Well, good luck with that.
Thanks, we'll need it.
All this for ice fishing?
Yep, going all the way up north for some serious fishing. Plus, my heater and auger are gas-powered.
Hope you reel in a big one this year.
I'm planning to catch a real monster.
Going on a road trip?
Yeah, gotta keep the family Christmas cabin prepped up.
Hope the trip goes smoothly.
Me too, but if not, I'm sure we'll make a clean getaway.
Say, you don't happen to be the same little blue-haired rascal that's been clearing every station in Ann Noveu of gas, would you?
You heard?
Everyone was chatting about some funny thing that happened, until they realized they all met the same gal. What could a youngling like you need so much gas for?
Just girl things, you wouldn't get it. Plus, isn't this just so cute?
Yeah. Every girl needs a stockpile of gas for an all-secret rite of passage, eh?
Right.
I trust your rite of passage won't cause any harm now, would it?
It won't. Thank you, yeah. Here you go.
Is that your pa's wallet?
Mm-hmm. Thanks again.
I guess I could tell Jasmine. You're beautiful, my beautiful love. Truly, you are the most beautiful girl I've ever laid my eyes upon. I swear to give you a flower that comes close to your beauty. And every morning when you see it, you will remember how magnificent you are. But for now, Jasmine, let me kiss you. Carmon. And you have a discount of all flowers up to 25%. Carmon, what's up, little sip? I just wanted to tell you that me, Kurt, Sadie, and Alfred are all going to be going on a Christmas trip. And it's going to be all day, with no time to do anything else. Oh, that's great, Carmon. Have fun. I
completed my first mission.
What was that about?
It looks like Carmon's spending Christmas with the suspects.
Carmon met the orange one, Kurt, the other day. I've been having trouble telling them to stay away from him without saying why. And now it's like they're all becoming friends. It's night. Stay in your room and don't be loud. Remember that our walls are connected. Got it. Wow, this is lame. What you writing? What do you want, Alfred? I'm bored. Let's do something. I cleaned my room this time, just for you. Like what? We can talk. I'm still very interested to learn more about the curse's mechanics. Like what it looked like. Or exactly how the deal process worked. No, we're not going to talk about this stupid curse right now. I'll tell you about it later. We're going to talk about you. Me? Aw, you want to talk about me? How sweet of you, Kurt. Don't do that. I'm being serious. I saw it, you know. What happened at Howe? To you. To your family. I just want you to talk about your feelings for once. There's no way that didn't affect you. There's no way that doesn't still affect you. It's all in the past, Kurt, where it should stay. Besides, my parents were some boring people. I hated them anyway. I'd consider it an improvement. Really? Kurt, do you really think I'd still care about some dead people from 9 years ago? Maybe you would. Just stop it! You cared then! And about Clavdy too. You just dug for a reason to hate them to cope with it. That's what I think. Because that's probably what I would do too. It hurts more to think it happened to someone who doesn't deserve it, right? So when you cared for her, I don't think you're a bad person, Alfred. A misguided asshole, yeah, but... I'm serious, fuck-ass. You were a normal kid then, or at least more normal. That can't just go away, regardless of what you pretend to be, or maybe even think you are. Do you even really believe that, Kurt? Do you realize how you sound right now? Just don't let it get to your head. I still hate you, just to be clear. But I think I'm learning to understand you, from an objective standpoint. You really shouldn't try too hard. You'll end up insane. You're probably right about that. I'm already insane enough to be talking to you anyway. He saw me. He saw me. What a joke. Was he right? What does it matter? I'm sorry about this. I know it wasn't you who did this. We can't let anyone know about this. Not even Clavdy, understand? I don't want to know what would happen if they did. They wouldn't believe. You've already seen too much. You should go. I'll figure something out. Hello? Are there any people here? Living, dead, injured? No. Doesn't seem like anyone's here, Chief.
Move on.
Help! Help!
Are you the only person in your house? I'm the only one that made it. I don't know what came over her, but my daughter started attacking all of us and killed herself after. I went over to my neighbor's house, but we were all dead too. I don't know what's going on.
That's the last one, right?
Yes. That appeared to be the last survivor.
Good. Let's get out of here.
They're gone. It's over. From now on, it's just us. Only us. You have to eat, Alfred. It's been weeks and you still smell like blood. Just can't wait any longer. I'm sorry. Alfred, you moved. Can you let go? Fine. Try again later. I wish you'd come back already.
William! There's nothing. We can't stay in this dying house forever. Is this your big plan? To starve us both to death?
Enough!
Hey.
If this is going to work, you have to listen to me. I know it's only 2 years, but I'm still older than you. And I seem to be the only one here that's actually trying to survive. You're back now, Alfred. You can't keep living like a husk and expecting me to clean up your mess. You need to suck it up and step up.
Well, what do you want me to do? This was your idea anyway.
Our parents' savings ran out a week ago. We have to get some money of our own. We'll start by selling things, and you're going to help out. Until you come up with a better one, this is how things are going to stay. For now, go clean your room for once.
Fine, you can let go. They both had horrible taste. Ew.
Be careful. This was Mom's favorite necklace. And hopefully now it will pay for dinner. We'll set up a pickup place in a vacant neighboring house. And hey, thanks. Looks like you passed, somehow. Here, you earned it.
Yes.
It worked. I start on Monday next week, which means you'll be handling the housework.
No fair. You get to leave.
It's not like I want to, but you're too young and I wouldn't trust you out there anyway.
Why not? I wouldn't tell anyone.
Because you're an idiot, and you know you'll get yourself in trouble one way or the other, like you used to.
I wouldn't. I'm different now.
17. You can leave when you're 17. I will be 19 and legally old enough to be your guardian, should anyone find out. You will hopefully be more mature. Maybe.
Oh, come on. You're probably the first 14-year-old to qualify for senior citizenship. Look at your beard.
Not to mention a robot.
Of course they wouldn't care now.
I need to prepare for Monday. Get out of my room.
Are you ready about to go?
Yes.
Good luck.
Poor guy. You're back. I already planned a celebration. Today, William went further than 2 clicks from home. So, I found a collection of movies for us to check out. Show it. I'm not watching that. Please? Just one day of being a normal kid can't hurt you. Fine. But you have to clean the kitchen for a week. You know, even though you're as boring as they come, you're still more fun than Mom and Dad were. Talking about them is prohibited, remember? Oh yeah, it's not like they care. You're not supposed to speak ill of the dead. It's a matter of respect. What if they deserve it? They don't. What if it's fun? It shouldn't be. They were our parents, and they did everything they could to support us. I'm glad you find their deaths funny. You got the support. I just got lectures and dumb rules. It's kind of funny if you think about it. They were always doting on you, but in the end, they're burying our backyard and you're here with me. Stop it, Alfred. It wasn't like that at all. I did what I had to do. Leave me all your self-serving jokes. Fine, I'll stop. But you can't ban me from the entire topic. You try so hard to ignore what happened. Our entire lives are shaped by it. And you expect me to just accept that? I ban you because you only joke about it in ill taste. You never say anything worth listening to. I want to know what happened, Will. I'm sick of being bored, confused, and trapped in this house. I want answers. If you're actually serious for once, and if you can find a starting point, I'll help you dig deeper. Whatever it is, it's much bigger than us. I just hope we can handle it. Well, trying is more fun, don't you think? Plus, I think we can handle anything together. Clearly not watching movies. Meh. This movie's boring anyway. You're the one that made me watch it with you. It was worth it. I finally have something to do. Let's just watch the next. It's a horrible idea. Worse than that. But it's the only idea. There's no other way. We've already searched. They're all going to die anyway. At least this way they don't have to take everyone with them. Regardless, this will be very hard to achieve. Not to mention monstrous. Do you really think you could do that, Alfred? There's no one better for the job than me, in fact. I have experience, you know. You didn't kill them. This would be different. You will be fully in control of this, and you will have to live with it. Someone has to do it. I can. If the students in school are removed, there will be no more vessels. If the mayor is removed, there will be no more schools. Then, this town will be safe. You will be safe. What does it matter if I kill a few dead people? 256 very much alive people. Quit the act. Maybe you'll manage one and you'll see execution is much different than talk. Only then it will be too late to go back. You know you can't do it. You're not a killer. You are my lazy little brother who needs candy and attention to survive. I'm only suggesting it because I know I can do it. Remember what you said back then? This is bigger than us or your morality. I'll have to kill someone I love, Will. But none of that matters now. What about you then? I'm just a tool in the grand scheme of things. Just like at Howe. Only this time, there's a purpose.
Alfred, I disagree with your plan entirely, as do I doubt you will actually go through with it. But I'm sure I don't have to tell you that I will ultimately do what I can to keep you out of trouble in the end. Please reconsider, before you drag us both down a path we can't return from.
I've already decided.